Hi, my name is Georgie. I'm the head of partnerships for Witekio, and we're here at MD&M West, one of the biggest medical shows in North America. And today I'm really excited to introduce our new Edge AI Anomaly detection demo. And to do that, there's no one better than one of our amazing engineers based in the US. It's Greg.
Yeah, Georgie. So basically what this is it was developed in partnership with Edge Impulse. And what it does is it uses their Edge AI framework in order to analyze and aggregate data from a blower fan. So what that's used for in this case is for industrial automation and for air conditioning and industrial HVAC. And basically what we're doing is we're aggregating the data for the voltage, the current, and the RPMs from the fan in order to feed it into the AI model and generate predictive maintenance schedules. So the alternative here in the normal world is that we're going to have technicians sent out to replace air filters on a regular periodic basis. That's very expensive in man hours and very costly if you make a mistake. So the alternative here is we're using this AI model to generate predictive maintenance schedules, which allows us to replace these filters just when they're needed, no sooner, no later.
That's really interesting, and I think obviously predictive maintenance with AI is such a huge hot topic right now, but obviously I'm going to say it, we're at a medical trade show, right? So how does this relate to medical devices?
So when you think of medical devices, the key here that we're going to focus on is aggregating and analyzing data. Heuristics are extremely important, and it takes a lot of human thought in order to analyze them. So instead, we're going to let the AI do that, and we're going to feed all the highlights to the people. So for example, if you're having patient monitoring for a Holter monitor, or if you have an IV drip, and you want to get data about that patient, you don't want to have to sift through that manually piece by piece. So instead, we're going to get this to generate the highlights so that you can focus on what matters.
And can you tell me a little bit about the demo technology? So I could see it's running on an MPU. Is there an MCU in it?
So this is running on an NXP IMX8 MPU, and it's aggregating the fan data from an ST MCU. And we're developing all of the BSP, the device drivers, and the graphical software interface, as well as the Edge AI framework. The application is implemented in Flutter for the graphical framework.